everyone, as you can see from the flow chart, now I will present the organizational structure. Below is a chart of the organizational structure of the Jombang District Environmental Agency. Okay, the environmental service is an implementing element of the regional government in the environmental sector, led by a head of service. Function: to carry out the task of government affairs in the environmental field, as well as the duty of assistance given to the region. The head of the environmental agency has a function. Okay. 1. Formulating policies in the environmental sector. 2. Implementation of policies in the environmental sector. 3. Implementation of evaluation and reporting in the environmental sector. 4. Implementing the administration of the environmental service. And 5. Guidance for UPT and Environmental Service Function Group. Okay, first, headed by the Environmental Agency. Assisted by a secretary, the main task of the secretary is to assist the head of the office in carrying out affairs and providing technical service in general and civil service, finance, and planning. Okay, 1. General and Civil Service Subdivision. Main duties of the head of the General and Civil Service Subdivision to carry out: public service and personnel, procurement of facility and infrastructure, management of regional property, and human resource management. 2. Subdivision of Finance and Asset. Main duties of the head of the Finance Department manages the finance administration, and the subdivision of Program Preparation and Evaluation. The subdivision of Program Preparation and Evaluation prepares material and carries out program preparation and activity reporting. They report their work to the secretary. Next, the functional position group report to the head of the environmental department. The field of environmental management, field of environmental governance, drafting policies on environmental studies and protection to realize sustainable environmental management. The field of waste management and green open space. Waste management and green open space has the task of collection material, coordinating and implementing technical planning. Management waste the field of control, supervision, and environmental law enforcement. The environmental field of control, supervision, and law enforcement, the task of formulating and implementing policies on supervision, mitigation, recovery due to environmental pollution or destruction, and the field of environmental conservation are responsible for the Environmental Service Office. Okay, environmental management is assisted by 1. Inventory, Planning and Environmental Information Section. 2. Environmental Impact Assessment Section. 3. Cooperation and Community Participation Section. Next, the Waste Management and Green Open Space sector is assisted by 1. A Waste Handling Section. 2. Waste Reduction Section. 3. A Green Open Space Management Section. Next, the field of environmental control, supervision, and law enforcement is assisted by 1. Environmental impact control, 2. Environmental law enforcement and supervision section, 3. Environmental management standardization section, and then the environmental conservation sector is assisted by the conservation and restoration of environmental damage section, 2. Ecosystem and biodiversity protection section, 3. Climate change adaptation and mitigation section. Then for the technical implementation unit is responsible directly to the head of the environmental service. Okay, that's the presentation for me. Thank you for your attention. Bye.